I'll throw out a mistake that we make. We all have potty mouths. We all got to check our language. We're all using the F word way too much. Don't say the F word that came into your mind. When I say F word, what's the F word do you think that I'm referring to?
Free.
I like free. That's a good one. But I was thinking of a different one. There's a worse one than free. Are you ready? There's a worse F-bomb than free. Following up. Hey, Lloyd, it's Matt Easton here at Easton University. I'm just following up, just checking in to see if you still need sales training. Here's what you got to realize, okay? Your prospect has this level of knowledge right about in the middle, okay, of whatever it is that you sell. You want to get yourself to a place where you have authority and credibility higher than them. And I'm not saying that because I'm an egomaniac. I'm saying that because if you had a tumor in your head, wouldn't you want to talk to a brain surgeon that had more authority and more credibility in terms of helping people survive tumors than you did as a patient? It's a rhetorical question, absolutely. But when you say things like, hey, Jason, I'm just checking in to see if you got the email that I sent you because I wanted to follow up with you, your credibility goes way down. Here's the other problem with saying following up or checking in. I can't read your hearts, I can't read your minds, but you guys are all paying for Easton University. You're showing up on these coaching calls. I think you're all good people. I think you want to help people improve their situation. I think you want to help your customers. But when you use the words following up or checking in, what the customer hears is, I want your money. I want your money, I want your money, I want your money. So that's a bad combination. I have no authority, I have no credibility, I'm desperate, and I want your money, I'm greedy. Which is why when we leave messages that say, I'm just following up or checking in, the person never calls us back. I'll give you just a quick one because I don't want to turn this into a follow-up training, but just whatever that blank is that you wanted them to do. Book a demo, sign the contract, get the paperwork in front of legal. Just simply start with, I'm calling to see if it makes sense to blank. Fill in the blank. Hey, Lloyd, Matt Easton, I'm just following up to see if you guys needed sales training. I know we needed to get that contract in front of legal, so I'm just checking in with you to see if you had time to do with that. Blah, blah, blah. Desperate. Greedy. Hey, Lloyd, Matt Easton here at Easton University. Hey, I'm calling to see if it makes sense to get the paperwork in front of legal. Give me a call here on my mobile, 720-660-3202. It is okay for you guys to talk that way. It's okay for you guys to be streamlined. Less is more. Professional is more. Don't use the F word anymore. Follow up. It's a horrible word.